Oh. Well, you did it.
I know you're on the job, but there's no law against a home-cooked meal. Got lots of hot dogs.
Call for her.
Brian! Come here!
Fortu. Hey, Leilani. What's up? You're looking at me like you hate me. What's happening?
Pip's meows are so cute, and I finally got a video of it.
Navy. Navy. You can't make biscuits here no more. They're on the other side of the tent. It's okay. They're outside.
Did you see that?
Oh my god.
Did you see that cat launched in the air?
Some cats sound like this. And some cats sound like this. What the fuck even was that, bro? Was there an attempt?
No, get down.
Are you having fun, Harper?
Like this.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
I had you looking in the wrong section. How could I be so stupid?
Look at that big back. Big back, baby.
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help! So what were y'all doing? So what were y'all doing in Canada when... What the fuck was that?
Oh my god!
Brandon, are you gonna come all the way?
Get out the rattle.
Yeah. So freaking like what?
Informed about it beforehand, and they had to know about it through the internet, through a third person.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
What's your problem, bro? How many times I'm gonna tell you to stop?
Honey,
Yeah.
can we get a dog?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh, careful, baby.
Come on. Come on, little kitty. Can I get that beer can off your ass? Okay. Yeah. That's how cold it is in Iowa.
Miss Mamas. Miss Mamas. Miss Mamas. I'm sorry for interrupting. You can go back to watching the TV.
Angels carried up the rays of the aurora borealis.
It's okay, you can say nigga. You my cat. Say it! He knows he can say it.
Wolf. Hi. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hello, baby. Did you wake up from a nap? Oh, there he goes. Stop playing.
I like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
Please. Oh my god. He killed my laptop. He killed my.
Talking all that shit. What's up, pussy? Pussy. What's good? Come on, Nick. Come on. Why you running? Why you running? What's good? What's good? Bitch. Fuck you, bitch. I'll fuck you up, bitch. Oh, how? Fuck you. How? Fuck you.
Cannot believe this shit. Cindy sleeps in my bed next to me. I have kissed this thing on the head numerous times.
No. Stop it. No. Murphy. Stop it.
So this is salmon Wellington with a cream spinach and
Stop. Stop.
amazing. I don't know what you know.
Bad boy.
Il laisse la place évidemment pour éviter l'accrochage. Il va être mieux placé.
You're teaching me how to swaddle. Are you comfortable? What are you doing? You weirdo.
Do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah.
What are you doing? I think I just peed on myself.
When you're stuck at the top of the stairs to a cat that doesn't want to let you down, grab yourself a towel, evil cat, and you just run, 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 run away.
You showed me so much love and care.
What is
Thank you for that.
High five.
You know what? You know
Down
what
low.
would be funny to record it? Like, put your wrist.
No, thank you for the present. I appreciate it. I do. I love you, but you're not coming inside. You have to leave your bird out here. Drop it. Okay. No, it's not. It's not coming in here.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Okay, so he just ran away from me and then jumped on the neighbor's cat. Hey, hey! Hey! Oh. Oh.
Did you say food? Oh.
So, what have we here?
Maverick, what are you doing to your sister? Why can't you just love each other? Oh my god.
This is the best part about my job. Playing on people's cats. Ow! Ow! What did I do? What the hell?
It's not easy being blind, but it helps when I have my cat.
My bitch pose is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat.
Well, apparently our subscribers want me to die. Hey Oreo, hi buddy. Oh god. Yo, tell them to unsubscribe.
Get out my face. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put your paw down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Mmm, so good and tasty.
It's like a cat treadmill.
gone around like 10 times
Stuck
now.
inside.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there he is.
Спасибо, моя кися. Спасибо, моя кися.
You silly boy. No. Go ahead.
Mochi. Mochi.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
I wonder who did this. Is it for you?
Быстро слезь! Быстро слезь! Ой! Literally, how am I supposed to get any work done? Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Food move. Maverick. Oh my god.
That is so funny.
Look at Maverick like, Boone, move your foot.
I think good. Look at him. He's like stuck. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's how you know you broke horse right there.
Yeah, that's how you know. That's
Estás modo ninja. Estás modo ninja.
Don't be scared of it, Hope. You're seeing your own reflection. Oh my god.
Adopt a feral kitten, they said. It'll be fun, they said. He's so cute, they said. There goes a roll of paper towel. Yesterday it was toilet paper. Why are you so cute? I'm watching you, Wazowski. Oh, wait.
Rosie's tweaking out over here. I don't know what it is about this doorway and that wall that she just tweaks out over. Rosie.
Misty.
I'll explain. Yep, Daisy locked up. Oh, you can't chew your way out. It's over. You're locked up. Oh, she getting mad. Oh. Daisy, good luck.
Me. It's everything. Everything a person says, does, thinks from the moment of birth. Playback of something. Someone who is and volunteer.
Placement, like then we can come back to it and solve it. And we need to have a flashlight kickoff, then we'll have a flashlight kickoff to make sure that it's in the right